I got like just 4 t-shirts from Chennai to wear at home. So you will be seeing the same 4 t-shirts in every other video. Classes start from tomorrow. I have a couple of things to do before that. One is meal prep for tomorrow because I have classes from 9 to 4. Like I have 2 courses tomorrow. So I need to get my own lunch. Number 2, I need to throw out my trash. Number 3 is I need to do readings for tomorrow's classes. Like they have given us some books to refer to and I need to do the reading by tonight. Good morning. So I'm just here to give you guys an update on how exactly the classes went yesterday. The reason I'm filming this today is because when I got back home it was around 4:20ish and I was super drained out, super tired. I just crashed. I woke up at 6:30 because I was really hungry. I made some Maggie and I slept again. It was really nice. It's been like after 2020 March. This is the first lecture that I'm actually attending in person. I really liked it. Maybe because it was the first day and all that, it was like a little too overwhelming for me. And also the weather here is like crazy. Okay, when I went in the morning it was burning like how it burns in Chennai, and then after like the 3 hours class we came out and it was pouring. I'm not even kidding, like it was pouring so badly. They've already given us like a huge schedule of all the assessments and everything, and I have to like make a note of it all on this calendar, this planner over here, so that I am well aware when these assignments are going to take place. Yeah, then I'm going to be talking to my parents in some time. I'm waiting for them to wake up. So once they're up, I'll talk to them and then I'll head out to get my groceries. Welcome to my grocery run part 2. This one's got all the vegetables. Yeah, so I got some mushrooms which I'm going to be cooking right now today. Some ham, got some burger buns, Got some cherry tomatoes, some blueberries. These are also for breakfast. A broccoli, potatoes, onions, one garlic as usual, and I got like 2 bananas again for breakfast, and also 1 apple. Are getting new milk, samyang buldak ramen, like because I feel like there would be days after uni that I will not be able to cook anything, so these are for those kind of days.
Or student counsellors if you feel the need. These book up quite early, quite quickly. Video that we've got online that explains that in different printers.
I actually made really good pasta this time as well. I have a couple of pre-class reading modules to complete. For yesterday's class, I didn't finish the module because I didn't know how to get to it in the website. So now that I know to do, I need to do that, but I probably will do it over the weekend, I'm thinking. Today, I have to finish the prerequisite that's needed for tomorrow's class. I think there's one module that I need to complete. So I'm gonna first eat, then I'm gonna complete the module, and then I'm gonna just rest for some time, then head over to Kmart. I need to buy a quilt and a hoodie today, so I'm just thinking of doing that today. Yes.
Let's put some water in the stove, and this is the drain and the bathtub.
How we can afford it is how we're going to basically satisfy the needs.
So I'm not very familiar with this place. I literally just got off in the wrong stop as well, meaning I just got off in one stop ahead, and I can technically take a bus to the next stop, but I don't know why. I'm just started walking because the neighborhood looks good, and I want to do some cardio. Also, I'm panicking, so to get rid of the panic. But yeah, this place looks pretty friendly. I asked my roommates as well, and they said it's pretty safe. So we are just going on a walk to Kmart.
Recording in progress.